Hi everyone, welcome back to Asian Fusion Cooking. Today, we're diving into an all-you-can-eat dim sum and sushi feast in Burlington, Canada. What makes this place special is that almost everything is made to order. Unlike typical buffets, it's a modern fusion of Cantonese-style dim sum and Japanese cuisine. With 5 of us, we enjoyed everything from the teppanyaki grilled to fresh sushi, sashimi, dim sum dishes, and desserts. Stick around until the end to see how much we ordered and what the total bill was. I'll also give you an honest review of the restaurant and our overall food experience. Ready to join us for this food adventure? Let's go! We did a quick self-check-in at the front, and shortly after, a staff member came out to show us to our table. It was smooth and efficient, making the whole process easy and welcoming right from the start. We just walked in on a Wednesday at 3:30 p.m. and they were already serving dinner. It was really cool. Everything was ordered directly from a tablet at our table. Once we placed our order, the kitchen prepared the dishes in about 5 to 10 minutes, and the wait staff promptly brought the fresh food right to us. It's a quick, seamless experience that adds a modern touch to the dining process.
So here is the amount that we have, how much it would cost for all 5 of us, each person, and then these are what we ordered. And over here we can see the time it's estimated to come out.
Dinner from Monday through Thursday is $40.99 Canadian per person. For more details, be sure to check their website.
rules.